Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix this iPhone has experienced an unexpected shutdown. If you are using any iPhone and you are facing the issue that your iPhone has been unexpected shut down, so let's see how can you easily fix the issue. So there's a basic way is that you have to make a force restart or you make a hard reset to your iPhone. It will fix minor glitches. Now to do that, you have to quickly press on this your volume up, then volume down, then press on the volume power button and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. So let's try this. You have to quickly press on this your volume up, then volume down, then press on the volume power button and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, you have to release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. So after restarting, you have to unlock your phone and you have to check if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed, so you have to open your settings app here, go for battery, and you have to check your battery health. So go for this battery health option and you have to check that your battery capacity is up to 85%. If your maximum capacity is not up to 85, so it might be that there will be an issue with your iPhone's battery. You can easily fix that by replacing your battery with an original iPhone's battery. And after doing that, your issue must have to be fixed. Or if you have 100% or mm, upper than 85%, but you're still facing the same issue. So go for general section here, go for software update, and you have to make sure that you haven't any pending software update here. If you find trying to update your software, then go back, go for transfer reset iPhone section, select reset all settings, enter your iPhone passcode, and then select reset all settings from the confirmation message pop-up. It will reset all of your iPhone setting to default. If there will be any issue with your iPhone setting, it will be fixed in this step, and after that, you will not get the issue again. But if you're still facing the same issues, there is the only way to fix that. You have to use your PC or your laptop to reinstall or reboot the whole software into your iPhone, and after that, you will not get the issue. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.